Lean, also known as purple drank, sizzurp, syrup, purple jelly, dirty Sprite, or Texas tea, is a mixture of cough syrup which includes the two drugs codeine and promethazine, a soft drink usually Sprite or Mountain Dew, and occasionally a candy such as Jolly Ranchers for added sweetness. Its use originated in Houston, Texas, and soon became popularized by the hip-hop culture during the 1990s. Cough syrup is a prescription drug used to alleviate the symptoms of coughs and is relatively safe in the prescribed amounts. However, by taking 20 to 25 times the recommended dose, users of lean achieve a state of euphoria, which is a period of intense excitement and happiness followed by drowsiness, a lack of energy, and a disconnected feeling from the rest of the body. So it is the two drugs inside the cough syrup, known as codeine and promethazine, which elicit the desired effects of lean. So to understand the health effects of the drink, let's have a breakdown of each drug. Firstly, there is codeine. Codeine is an opioid like morphine, but with slightly less pain relief effects. But like morphine, it is highly addictive. When codeine is ingested, it is converted to morphine in the body, where it activates specific switches known as mu receptors on the brain and spinal cord, which make up our central nervous system. By turning on these switches, codeine reduces pain signals to the brain, leading to pain relief, and also causes the release of a chemical called dopamine, which results in the euphoric effects of lean. Continuous usage of the drug leads to tolerance and addiction, meaning that even higher dosages are required to have the same euphoric effects with subsequent usage. Codeine overdose can lead to respiratory depression, where breathing becomes suppressed, sedation, nausea, vomiting, decreased heartbeats and decreased blood pressure, apnea, and in severe cases, death. The second drug used in lean is promethazine. The drug blocks the action of a different group of switches in the body known as histamine receptors. This allows promethazine to have sedative and anti-allergy effects, as well as being used to prevent motion sickness. Promethazine is responsible for the drowsy and relaxed feeling experienced when drinking lean. Overdose of this drug can lead to the depression of the central nervous system, low blood pressure, respiratory depression, unconsciousness, and sudden death. Other effects of the drink include brain damage, deafness, constipation, and paleness. Users also tend to mix lean with alcohol. Even when taking cough syrup in the prescribed amount, it is advised to avoid alcohol, and by mixing it with lean, the drink becomes even more dangerous. If you have found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel and like this video.